Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use your scraps, and food scraps that is, because I cut a lot of veggies and fruits and things like that, and I want to show you guys how to turn them into something really yummy. So let's get started. Now, what I'm going to be making today is going to be some kind of an avocado toast, and I'm going to be using a half of an avocado, what's left that I had in my refrigerator. So I'm going to take out the pit, and before we move it into the bowl, I like to kind of smash it in its skin, then use a fork to do a lot more of that smashing. Now, think about this. Have you ever just smashed a half of avocado in a bowl? It's kind of annoying that you have to chase the avocado down. So I just like to do a little bit of smashing while it's in the skin. It's contained. I can control it because it's in my hand, and just throw it into the bowl, and you can continue smashing if you need to. Next up, I'm going to be cutting a purple onion, and as you can see, I've used it several times, but I'm just going to take a little chunk, and a little chunk goes a long way. I love onions, so if you don't, you can always skip this part, of course, just fast forward a little bit. I like to put a couple of these slices to the side because I want to, get a little bit fancified. I know we're using scraps, but it still look cute. So I'm going to continue to chop them because I want them to be a little bit smaller on the inside of my avocado mix. Then I'm going to be using this bundle of cilantro. I was like, what the heck is this called? Cilantro. And I got this from a farm that Jude and I went to. So there's a lot of stems because they are kind of uneven and just organic, girl. So I'm going to chop it up and add just a pinch of that to the bowl because I actually cut more than I needed. Next up, I'm going to be adding a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and this one I got from Trader Joe's. It's the only one that comes in a tin like this, and it looks really cool. Not gonna lie, that's why I bought it. And then a sprinkle of pink Himalayan salt. I got this one at Target, but they sell it everywhere. Then I'm going to be using some black pepper. This is a grinder. I think I got it from, I want to say either Vaughn's or maybe even Sprouts. A little bit of cumin. I got this one at Target. And some oregeno. I believe this is also from Target. If not Target, it's from Sprouts. Just a little bit of that as well. Just a tiny bit. So whatever you like as far as taste goes, that's what you're going to add as far as herbs. Then I'm going to use half of a lime, squeeze that in there, and mix it up. It smells so delicious. My mouth is watering as I'm rewatching this. It's so good, guys. Moving on to our toast, I'm going to be cutting into this bread bowl. So as you can see, I've already used a fair amount of it, so I'm just going to be cutting another slice out of it. This is like maybe a little over an inch. You want it to be fairly thick because what we're putting on top of this toast is going to be heavy. Now I just toasted it inside of a cast iron skillet with some butter on both sides, waited until it was crispy and brown, and in the same pan I dropped in my egg. We're going to fry it with a little bit of olive oil, and on top of that I sprinkled some pink Himalayan salt. Then we're going to move back to our toast, and I'm just going to spread on that avocado mixture that we created first, and making sure that I cover the entire top. And then all you do is plop down your fried egg. It is so delicious, you guys. I wish I had more avocado because I'd make another one right now. And I just cracked on some pepper and sprinkled on the bits of cilantro and onion that I had left over. And this is pretty much it. It's so delicious, so quick to do, and we're not wasting any of our food. I like to keep my scraps. I know we cut into onions and bell peppers and maybe even some cilantro. You don't want to throw it out because there's so many things that you can make with them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you'd like me to make some more videos like this, because I do this all the time. I've been trying to get in the habit of not wasting any food. So anyhow, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!